Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Is your wallet currently empty? What if I told you there's a way for you to earn $3 over and over again? Don't worry, because this method is not complicated at all. Even ordinary people like you and me can easily make hundreds of dollars using this method. Just like most of my other videos, this method is completely free. There's no need to invest any money. You might think that $3 is not a significant amount, but you have to realize that we can repeat this process multiple times, so the money can accumulate quite substantially. This method works worldwide, so you don't have to go through the hassle of setting up a VPN or anything like that. I will provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this, so make sure to stay until the end of this video because I have some bonus tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. Hello there! Are you struggling to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. First, I need you all to visit a website called pixabay.com. Please note that this is not the main website where you learn money repeatedly. This is simply a website where you can find resources to use with the website I'm about to show you. Here you can find the best free stock photos. On this website, you can access a wide variety of photos and videos created by talented individuals. What you can do is download these photos and videos completely free of charge. However, I want you to pay attention because you can't just use any photo from this website. You need to search for a specific type of photo on Pixabay. The keyword you should search for is black and white. This will display a collection of black and white photos for you to choose from. Simply click on the download icon or select the photo and click on the download button to download the photo you're interested in. A great feature of this website is that you don't need to create an account to download photos or videos. You can download them anonymously. Once you've downloaded the photo you like, you've completed the first step. If you're enjoying what you've seen so far, please leave a like and comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will share more methods on how to make money online. Click on the notification bell to stay updated when a new video is released. Now let's move on to the actual website where you'll start earning money. The website we're using today is called Colorize. You can visit colorize.com for the next step. You might be curious about what Colorize is all about. Are you going to color in coloring books? Well, Colorize.com is actually an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the process of adding color to photos. With Colorize.com, you can automatically colorize old photos using AI technology and deep learning. This photo colorizer is capable of transforming black and white photos into colored or toned images within seconds. Basically, this website allows you to take old black and white photos and automatically add color to them. On the side, you can see an example of a photo that was colorized using this website. By moving the slider left and right, you can observe the differences, and as you can see, the results are quite impressive. So, how exactly do you colorize photos on this website? Well, there are 3 basic steps to follow. Step number 1 is to prepare digital black and white photos. Colorize.com is specifically designed for colorizing black and white images and does not work on digital images that are already in color. Before using this tool, you need to have at least one digital old black and white image saved on your device. If you have old black and white photos in your album, you can digitize them using online photo scanners before uploading them to Colorize.com. Step number 2 is to upload the black and white photos. Simply drag and drop an all black and white photo into this AI colorizer or click on the upload icon to select a photo from your device. Colorize.com works best with photos that are less than 1200 by 1200 pixabay. If your photos exceed this limit, they will be automatically compressed. You can visit Colorize.com for the next. Now I'll quickly show you a comparison between this platform and Fiverr. We can search for the keyword color black and white photos and observe that PeoplePahor only has 105 results, while Fiverr already has over 6,000 listings. Starting on Fiverr can be nearly impossible, and even if you manage to start, it would likely take months to earn the same amount of money you can make on PeoplePahor. So let's head over to the homepage of PeoplePahor and sign up. Click on this button right here, which will redirect you to another webpage where you can choose whether you want to hire a freelancer or work as a freelancer. In this case, we want to sign up as a freelancer, so select this option. You can sign up using either your Facebook or email account. I'll use my email account as it's more convenient for me. Here's a quick suggestion, guys. Consider creating a new dummy email account specifically for registering on this website. Some websites like these tend to send promotional materials to your email, which might flood your inbox and cause you to miss important details. Personally, I use a dummy email account to avoid any inconvenience. I highly recommend that you follow suit and create an account on this platform to commence your money-making journey. Now let me demonstrate the potential earnings you can achieve. Take a look at this individual who has a gig priced at $15 and has amassed an impressive 415 reviews. This signifies that they have earned a remarkable $6,225 from this website. You too have the potential to earn a similar amount by crafting a gig that offers the same service. Initially, set your price between $5 to $10 to attract a larger customer base. This will enable you to acquire more customers and garner positive reviews. Once you have established a solid client base and received numerous positive reviews, you can gradually increase your price. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your online money-making journey today and witness your PayPal account rapidly fill up. That sums it up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for updates on other money-making methods, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!